Welcome to this demonstration of CustodyComms by Konflict Studio. This system provides the foundation for fully controlled voice environments across your entire server. In a prison setting, you can manage entire cell blocks where inmates' voices are isolated by default, while guards monitor individual cells or broadcast announcements to the whole wing from a central hub. It's also perfect for police lineups, ensuring witnesses behind the glass remain unheard by suspects, while the lead detective maintains a clear, one-way line of communication to both sides. It's ideal for interrogation rooms and interview spaces, keeping voice contained while a separate listening post monitors in real time with optional talkback. This isn't just for law enforcement. Whether it's a secure gang hideout for high-stakes meetings or a high-security event, CustodyComms gives you total authority over who hears what and when. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a realistic interrogation room and a listening post entirely in-game, so you can see exactly how voice gets isolated, monitored, and controlled in real time. We're going to create two zones. First, an interrogation room where conversation stays contained, and second, a control room listening post that can monitor the room, with talkback available only when we enable it. To get started, open your chat and run the command CustodyComms. Then choose Zone Creator to launch the wizard. In the basic step, we're creating a new zone. Give it a clear label, something like Interview Room 1A, and optionally add a category so it stays organized in your zone list. Next is the zone step. This is where you define the footprint of the room. Click Start Zone Editor and you'll be placed into a free camera editor. Outline the room accurately, then press Enter to finish and return to the wizard. For the interrogation room itself, we'll keep it clean. No targets needed here. This room is simply an isolated space where voice behavior changes automatically. In audio links, we keep this room as a standalone room, no links. That means it behaves like a true interview room. What happens inside stays inside. Now the important part, isolation and access. For an interrogation room, enable both isolation toggles. Players inside can't be heard by the outside world, and outside players can't be overheard inside. Because we're using target-based interaction for the listening post, we're not requiring an input key here. Finally, review the details and hit Save Zone. Your new interrogation room is now live on the server. Now we're creating the control room listening post. This is the zone that will monitor one or more interrogation rooms. Repeat the geometry step, but this time outline the control room area where voice should be isolated. In the target step, we'll add an interaction inside the listening post to toggle talkback. We'll bind a real in-world object, so set placement to use existing, click Start Placement, aim at the object you want to use, and press Enter to confirm. In audio links, choose Link Other Rooms, then select the interrogation room we just created. This is what turns this zone into a listening post that can monitor that room. For this demo, we want monitors to listen only by default, so we keep talkback disabled as the default state. We're still using isolation, and we're not requiring a key press because interaction is handled through the targets we placed. Review and save. Now the operator can monitor what's happening in the interrogation room without being inside it. And when it's time to speak back, maybe to give instructions or run a negotiation, the operator uses the toggle talk target. That enables talkback when you need it, and you can disable it again immediately after. If you need to tweak anything, zone shape, altitude, targets, or what it listens to, just reopen the wizard, update the zone, and resave. No digging through files mid-session. CustodyComms makes complex audio management simple. All links for documentation, support, and purchase are in the description. Thanks for watching.